everyone. So today's Toddler Tuesday, and Maivy, my friend Maivy and I are going to show you how to do a marble painting. Maivy, are you ready? Do you want to say hi to everybody? Can you wave at them? Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is you need your paint. So you can pick any color paint. So we've picked, what color is this? Blue, good job. What color is this one? Green. And what about this one?
Pink.
Very good. So those are the colors that she chose, and you can choose any colors that you'd like. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna squirt a little bit of paint into a plate or a cup, and so we're just gonna squirt a little bit, and then we're gonna add a little bit of water to it. Okay? And then I'm gonna let Maivy mix it with a Q-tip. So we kind of want the, I'm gonna mix it up.
Yeah.
Okay, you can do it. There you go. So we kind of want the paint to be a little thin. We don't want it to be super thick. So we're mixing it with water with a Q-tip. Now parents, you can also use tempera paint as well, and it's a little bit thinner.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very good. Are you ready to move on to the next color? Green or blue? Green. All right. Well, we're going to switch it out, and that way you can reach it. There you go. Now we've got to put a little bit of water in it, and you can grab your Q-tip. Grab a Q-tip, and you're just going to mix it up. Mix it with the water. Good job. And keep on. Get it good and mixed up. All right, very good. And now we're going to do the blue. So I'm going to put your Q-tip here. Thank you. All right, so now we're going to do the blue paint. Okay, we're going to add our water, just a little bit, right? There we go. And then you're going to mix it with your Q-tip. So what we have is acrylic paint that I'm using, watered down, and then I have you can use a cookie sheet. This is like the top of one of the cheap tinfoil pans that you get for cooking. And then you can use whatever type of paper. I'm just using the printer paper, copy paper, but you can use like watercolor paper, depending on how thick you want it. But this is something that is good job, and this is considered process art because it's just you teach them how to do it, and then it kind of just forms into whatever type of spectacular piece of art that it ends up being. So all right, so maybe we've got your paper down. Okay, let me get the paints out of the way. So I'm going to scoot this over to you. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So, we've got the paper. And you can use some tape to tape it down. We're going to try it without tape today, so we'll see how that happens, what happens with that. All right, so now we're going to pick out some marbles. Okay. So we're going to choose, you can pick, we're going to pick out 7 marbles, okay? So here's 2. Can you count them?
1, 2.
Good job. What's that? 3, 4, 5, oops, 6, and 7. So we've got 7 marbles, okay? All right, so we're gonna put them in here. See how they're rolling around? Woo! Okay, so now what color do you want to start with on your paint? Pick a color. I'm gonna pick blue, pink, or green. Blue, okay. All right, so we're gonna put this right. We're gonna get the Q-tip, and then we're gonna put it right over here, okay? Okay, all right. So now, watch this. You ready? See the marbles? See how they're going in it? See how it moves it around? Okay, let's add pink to that. Good job. Perfect. All right, so just put the Q-tip back up there. Okay. All right, and so now you're gonna move this around. Ready? You wanna help me move this? Okay, ready? There they go. Woo! Oh, that's okay. It's okay. We still have plenty more marbles on there. See how it's moving the paint around? All right, are you ready for me to add the green? Do you want to add it, or would you like me to add it?
Add it.
Okay. Do you want to put it down here? Okay. Very good. Good job. You ready? Let's get those marbles on it. Ooh, that was pretty, huh? Is that fun?
Yeah.
Okay. And look at the pretty art that you made. Very good. Can you give me 5?
Thank you.
We'll see you next time, next week, on Tuesday.
Yeah.